Howdy peeps, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're having a unboxing-ish, first look-ish quick waffle about the new to me anyway, Nicrew Slim LED aquarium light, 75 to 95 centimeters. We'll go through a bit of the bump on the box. Promotes optimal plant growth, high power density, blah blah blah, wired controller. Yep, all sorts of guff. Picture of light. And more useful information this size. So 40 watt run at 20 volts, 127 7.5K white LEDs, 9,500 lux at 30 centimeters, 150 par at 30 centimeters. So pretty darn bright. I got this from Amazon UK, and as is usual or legal these days with lights in the UK, they have to have one of these labels on them to show their efficiency rating. In the case of LED, this is an A up. Somewhere down here will be the older tungsten filament bulbs and halogens, low power fluorescence, and as you work your way up you get through the LEDs. Now obviously it's not in the box because it's lighting these three tanks. And we'll get a bit closer to have a bit of a look-see. It's your standard looking Nicrew light or aquarium light. Piece of extruded aluminium with circuitry inside, try and get the angle so you don't completely dazzle out, and 120 white LEDs. Now this looks quite bright, despite the fact that the tank's fairly dingy. Crisp, bright. That however is on its minimum power setting of 10%. If I come over here, you might see it, especially if I put my hand around it. We have the inline controller, which is on off, automatic timer, up and down on the power. So what I'll do just momentarily to absolutely blind the fish and myself is give it full blast. You can see that is ludicrously bright, and it's giving me a headache already. Problem is the speed the camera adjusts for the light level changing is quicker than the light changes. Now obviously the inline remote, ta-da, I like because it means you don't lose it. The batteries don't go flat in it. I know it's simple and easy to use. The cable on it is fairly long as well, and this is yeah, there's probably getting on the 6 feet of cable there, so that's good. The timer works well. It's literally press the button and you've got a choice of 6, 10 or 12. I've got it set on 10 hours. So it comes on automatically, turns off automatically. It doesn't get overly warm. Well, it's obviously not been on long yet today, but I hold the camera straight sharp. So yeah, it doesn't get too warm. As you can see, it's definitely low line enough to go underneath the hood of most, if not all, tanks. It's certainly fit under a Fluval Roamer. It's thinner than the original light, and I shall probably upgrade the light in that to something from the Nicrew range, especially if they do a full colour plant version of this light. That would be superb. So a week in, gotta say I'm really happy with it. Obviously I can't attest to any long-term usage. It's Yeah, let's have a little look at the shelly dwellies. I moved a couple more over. Well, I say a couple. I just moved another shell over, and unfortunately it does appear to have had one of the newborn babies in there. But hey ho, there's plenty of food in there for him. And some of the criblet swarm. It's when we stand up we realise just how many. We have 3 more tanks of cribs and plex, and I mean, I'm not sure whether that is overstocked for 5.5 gallons, 50 bristle noses, but you never know. Anyway, as time goes on, if I get any issues or notice anything or whatever, I will follow up videos on the lights, same as I will with anything I've done unboxings, reviews of. See how long they last. You know, are they worth it? But at the moment, for £35 next day delivery on Prime, I really can't complain. So yeah, I would urge you look up the Nicrew lights. Have a look. There seems to be a fairly big range, and they're all reasonably priced, so there should be something there to suit your needs. Obviously, don't blame me if it goes wrong, but you know, I'm not perfect. So there we go. Build quality looks good. I've got a couple of other, they're branded as Mine Licked, but they're the same lights out of the same factory. Those things are 2 years old and still going strong. So, yay! Anyway, if you've got any comments, leave them down below. Do the old like, subscribe-y thingy. Share the video out. All that good stuff. Most importantly though, enjoy your hobby. Have fun. Peace out. Rock on. Stay safe. Bye bye.